We are here to make a magic and draw your attention to important data points in a spreadsheet. Today's magic is conditional formatting. It allows the user to apply a specific formatting to cells with certain criteria. Mostly, it is used for coloring the cells, to highlight, or emphasizing the data in spreadsheets. Basic conditional formatting. As you see, our form is slightly changed. Instead of months column, 2 salary columns for each month are added. Anyway, let's highlight the started data column with the dates after 18th March of 2019. What will you do? Try to find any cells with this criteria and highlight it. Even with these 37 rows, it is a boring job. Now imagine you have 1,000 rows. Highlight cells rules. The easiest way for highlighting cells with a specific criteria is not highlighting manually. It is conditional formatting. Select started date column as your range. Press and Ctrl-Shift down arrow keys from keyboard to select all range. From Home tab, Style section, select Conditional Formatting. From this drop-down menu, the first option is Highlight Cells Rules. We want to highlight the cells greater than 18th of March 2019. So, select Greater Than. Now, select the criteria. Here you can type or find it from the cells. 18th March of 2019. I select the criteria, then it asks me about the style of the highlight. It can be light red, filled with dark red text, or any other preset styles. Even we can modify a custom format. With the cells format, the font styles, different borders, or filling the cell with a custom color. I select green color. Now it is customized. At last, press on OK and OK. All cells with greater than 18th March of 2019 are highlighted as green. Also, there are predefined options for dates. I select a started date column. Again, from Highlight Cells Rules, it is a date occurring. From drop-down menu, there are some predefined options about days, months, and weeks. I select last month. This is highlighted in red. I can easily detect that Samantha started last month. As you see, we can also apply multiple conditional formatting rules to cell range or even worksheet. Difference of equal to and text that contains. I select August salary month as range and go to conditional formatting. Highlight cell rules. The first one is greater than, which we implemented it on a started date column. Second one is less than a criteria. Third is between two criterias. Equal to a criteria, and text that contains. Let me show you the difference of these two items. If I select equal to and type 7, none of the cells are highlighted because this option highlights the cells that exactly equals to an inserted criteria. This time, I select text that contains and type 7. The cells which contain 7, like 7,000, 7,800 or 9,700 cells are highlighted. A date occurring is about date formatted cells, which we have talked about in previous step. Duplicate values. Duplicate values is widely used in forms. I select a whole list with Ctrl A, then select duplicate values from conditional formatting. I click on it. Duplicate values box is shown. Here we have two options, duplicate and unique. We can select what we need. I select duplicate, then for the highlighted format, select yellow fill with dark yellow text. When I'm done, I press on OK. All these yellow highlighted cells are not unique. For example, in names, we have two Ella Carter. This is what we exactly want. We inserted Ella Carter with same ID twice. So this twice item can affect the total salaries or any other important factors. We have to delete one of Ella Carter's. Top or bottom rules. It is clear from its name. We can highlight top 10 items or bottom items, or even below or top average of the range. Or it gives us bottom 10%. For example, I select total salary range and select bottom 10%. We can easily see the highlighted result. Clear rules. Anyway, I want to clear all the conditional formatting from this list. Again, I go to Conditional Formatting and mouse over Clear Rules. Clear rules from selected cells or entire sheet. I want to clear all the worksheet rules, so click on it. All highlights are disappeared. Visualize highlights. I select both months of salary range and go to Conditional Formatting. This is the visual part. I just mouse over it to show you what I mean. Data bars are the bars which are highlighted in the cells to visualize the value of each cell. It has different colors. Second is color scales. I mouse over to one of them. You see the values of these ranges are colored according to the value of each cell. For example, the green ones are the highest and the lowest are red cells. Between these ranges are colored with yellow and orange. The color changes based on the values. The third one is icon sets. Instead of coloring the cells, the icons are showing off. Any icon set represents highest, lower, and between. I give a space to this icon set and again hover mouse and the icons to show you. This is the basic conditional formatting. We will wrap up this section in the future lessons.